Eloquent JavaScript by Marijn Haverbeke is one of the most highly recommended books for learning JavaScript, praised for its deep dive into both beginner and advanced programming concepts. The book is split into three main parts, each focusing on a different aspect of JavaScript development: the core language, browser programming, and server-side programming with Node.js.
1. The language. The first part of the book teaches the fundamental aspects of the JavaScript language, making it suitable for both beginners and those looking to solidify their understanding of programming concepts. Key topics include basic syntax and control structures. Readers learn about the building blocks of JavaScript, such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Functions. Haverbeke delves into how functions work in JavaScript, including defining and invoking functions, closures, and recursion. Data structures. The book explores how JavaScript handles arrays, objects, and other data structures. It covers manipulating arrays, adding properties to objects, and iterating over collections of data. Error handling. It also includes a section on debugging and error handling, helping developers understand how to write code that gracefully manages issues. Higher-order functions. One of the more advanced topics introduced early in the book, higher-order functions, allows developers to treat functions as data, passing them around and returning them from other functions. This sets up a solid foundation for understanding JavaScript's flexibility and power. This part of the book provides numerous code examples and exercises to help reinforce these concepts, with each chapter progressively building on the previous one. 2. The browser. In this section, Haverbeke introduces JavaScript's role in browser programming and how it interacts with web pages. Topics include Document Object Model, DOM. One of the core aspects of web development is manipulating the DOM, the structure that represents a web page. The book teaches how to use JavaScript to access and modify HTML elements, allowing developers to create dynamic, interactive web pages. Event handling. Another key feature of browser-based JavaScript is the ability to react to user interactions like clicks, key presses, and mouse movements. This section explains how to attach event listeners to elements and manage user input. Asynchronous programming. JavaScript's ability to handle asynchronous events is crucial for modern web applications. Haverbeke introduces concepts like callbacks, promises, and async/await, giving a thorough explanation of how JavaScript handles asynchronous code in the browser. HTTP requests and forms. The book explains how to send data to and retrieve data from servers using AJAX, and interact with forms to gather user input dynamically. These concepts are critical for creating web applications, and this section helps readers build more interactive and engaging user interfaces. 3. Node.js. The third section of the book transitions to using JavaScript in a server environment via Node.js. This part is highly valuable for developers who want to explore full-stack development. Topics covered include Introduction to Node.js. Haverbeke begins by introducing Node.js as a runtime for JavaScript outside of the browser, focusing on its ability to handle server-side tasks. Building servers. Readers learn how to use Node.js to create web servers that can handle HTTP requests, respond to client requests, and manage asynchronous tasks such as reading from or writing to files. File system and streams. The book covers the basics of interacting with the file system in Node.js, allowing developers to read, write, and modify files programmatically. It also introduces streams, which are used to handle large data sets efficiently. Modules. JavaScript's module system is crucial for structuring code, particularly in large applications. The book explains how to organize code into reusable modules in Node.js. By the end of this section, readers have a solid grasp of how to use JavaScript not only to build web applications but also to create server-side logic and infrastructure. This makes Eloquent JavaScript a comprehensive guide for full-stack development. Other key features. Projects. Throughout the book, Haverbeke presents several real-world projects that help reinforce the lessons learned in each section. These projects allow readers to apply their knowledge to practical examples, such as building a simple game or developing a basic web server. Updated material. The third edition includes material on modern JavaScript features such as async/await, template literals, arrow functions, block-scoped variables, and more. This keeps the book relevant to current JavaScript development trends. Conclusion. Eloquent JavaScript is well regarded for its clear explanations, hands-on approach, and deep dives into both basic and advanced programming concepts. It is highly recommended for those new to programming as well as experienced developers who want to deepen their understanding of JavaScript, browser manipulation, and server-side development. This blend of language fundamentals, browser scripting, and Node.js makes the book a must-read for anyone serious about mastering JavaScript.